And you can see that these two shaders that I'm showing you, I store them as two files on my file system in the subfolder named shaders. And of course this folder could contain more than two shaders, but the minimum that you have to have is the two shaders, fragment and vertex shader. And they're just plain text files. I tend to give them extension C so I can trick my source editor here to think it's a C program, and so it allows me to highlight some of the keywords recognizable in C because shader code is very similar to C code, and also you can see that my comments are also highlighted in very nice convenient manner. But the shader can have any extension. It can be .text, anything you want, can go without any extension. It's just a file that contains plain text source code. And there is another possibility that you can embed this shader source code directly in your C++ program without the need to open the file and load this text before you can compile these shaders. So we can just basically create a long string. You can see here that there's a concatenation of many strings, and it's just like the text that we have here. So this is an example of shader being put together directly in computer memory as opposed to being stored in the file. It doesn't matter where it's coming from.